Finally, we are here. We will start with the most famous movement in bachata sensual, okay? Body roll, Onda en español, okay? And it's super important, not only the movement, how you do the movement, how is your legs, what is your weight, how is your body position. It's super important because you control this, the body roll is natural, okay? Remember, we try to find always the natural way to do the things.
We're gonna show you the basic technique. And with the classes, we will go adding small details to make it more visual. But if you don't have the foundation of the wave and you don't know how it works, then it's gonna be for you difficult to follow and to lead it.
Okay, let's go. Okay, remember, this is like a puzzle, okay, piece by piece. Okay, first, the first piece, the first move you have to learn to do body roll is only step. Okay, it's not a step like this. It's a, we will say big step, but this doesn't mean it's with security. Step. Okay, it's not the same. Step or step down. Step. Okay, but not only step mixing with bolero. Okay, if I'm here, I will do. The idea is step and start to grow. This is the first move. Come on together. I will do in this position, and after we change. Basic, 1, it is in 1, 5, 6, 7, 1.
So we are changing our weight and pushing the floor to grow all the way up.
And you check, we start with the rules. Totally straight, your legs, okay? Totally up. Chest body roll, this is a chest body roll with rotation. Is always start up. You check, she is totally up.
This is just for you to realize the difference. When we are relaxed and everything, like we have our weight, like normally how we should have it, then the hip should be relaxed. If he does bolero, the hip is going to be in a line with my leg because he's pulling everything up. So from this position, I transfer my weight and he make me breathe. Okay, bolero. So everything is in a line.
When she's playing perfectly. Transfer the weight and breathe. It's not transfer the weight and after breathe. It's only one move. Okay, this is the first move, super easy. Second one, check. Normal position here, rotation. Okay, one more time, it's in my left. Okay, I look to my right, but my weight will be on my left because after we will mix with the step, okay?
Okay.
In this position one time, super easy. Okay?
If I look to my right and he make me change the weight, I don't gonna leave my legs on the same place, but I'm gonna step to the right. So if I step to the right, I always gonna have a small rotation from the head of the femur, because like this I have the balance, I keep my balance, and like this I correct straight the lines. So when you walk, you don't gonna walk like this, you're gonna have dancing, okay? You're gonna have a small rotation, not forcing it because we are not in ballet, and like this we're gonna have always the balance if we had to stay in a still position, yeah? So if from here he make me look to the right, don't do this because you can hurt your knees, but rotate the position and with it come with the rotation of the leg.
And you check, Judy already is mixing the first one, the second one. Remember, the first one is the biggest step, second one rotation. When you mix, you have this step. One more time, please. She's totally up. For me, it's the opposite because I'm leading her. What I do? The big step and my rotation is looking to my right. Okay? And now check this position. Imagine I'm alone. Okay? Cancel phone. I'm here. When I do this big step and I do this rotation, check my hand and my elbow position. Imagine I have here Judith, okay? I need to say Judith, look this side. What happened with my elbow and my hand? My elbow pass my hand. And this is super important because this is the leading to force her position. Check. You check this. If I do this, now you check. Gira un poquito. My elbow is here, my hand here. My hand is pushing there. My elbow is pushing that direction because I have this contact lead there, and this. For this position, her chest is totally out, and we need this. Check her position. She can't close her chest for this leading, okay? This is the idea. Okay, we have one big step, second one, remember we're breathing, and now this, you check my shoulder when I do the breathing, start to grow. Okay, release all my body, but super visual on the shoulder. I will continue this energy. Do otra vez eso. Lo de la mano, por favor. Hazlo. You check, stop. Now it's not this. It's continuous this energy doing a circle. Okay? This is the idea to do a body roll.
Think in a roller coaster. Yeah? So, the same that we are drawing, you're gonna imagine that we are in a roller coaster. So we change the weight, grow all the way up, and you don't gonna go straight to your right, guys. You're gonna go diagonal.
Okay, super important. Don't change your weight until the last moment, and don't follow your follower. Okay, I will try to explain you. The first part is super easy. Is change your weight and breathe. I'm in my limit. I'm pulling up, 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 up. When I'm in my limit, check my next leading. I will show you. Check. It's something like this. Okay? It's something like I push you in diagonal. But I use my body start. It's like my body start, but my arms continue because my body need go to the opposite. Check one more time. I do 1 and 2. I am the limit. I will push with my body, but I go to the opposite. I push and stay here, okay? And she stay there because I stop her. And our hips go to the opposite. I don't try to follow Judith, okay? I don't need this leading. One more time. Together with basic. E. 1, 2, 3, 4. E. Se va. Now. E. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, super easy. At the moment, my left hand on the hips. Now, down, 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 come here. Okay, my leading never is straight. I need to respect this pendulum. To respect the pendulum, remember the chest body roll always start up, the hips body roll always start down. Okay, we do basic the first part, and we come back to explain the second part.
Think in the roller coaster, thinking a infinitive. We are drawing with the roller coaster like half of the infinitive, no? To start, you are doing this semicircle up, and to go down, you are doing this semicircle. So to come back, what you have to do is not to go straight, but to go into the semicircle to finish up.
Okay, we do basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, body roll. E. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm ready. 5, 6. I don't have weight here. She don't have weight here. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Okay, come back. Remember, super important. You check her body when she do a body roll. Her hips do the next one. Super slow. Up, 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 and the hips go down and go up a little. This is a pendulum. To come back, we come back in this way. Down, forward, change your weight. My right hand needs respect the pendulum to finish and to come back. Okay, this is the idea. Together, super slow, non-stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. It's close to being visible, but you check. I don't do this. Only my hand, only my hand. I do my hips and my body do two. Little up, little down, all my body respect the pendulum.
So you have a small bouncing. You do the wave, guys. And here you're gonna bounce and bounce.
Now
See?
we'll do exaggerate, okay? I will show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, se va. Ahora, y 1, 2, 3,
Bounce,
4, 5,
bounce,
6,
and change the
7,
way.
8. Why this bouncing? Of course, you can lead only with your hand, but if from the beginning you start to understand how your body weight, your body position works in perspective with the leading, you can be the best leader in the world. You can lead soft, okay? Super important. Play with the music.
Viernes por la noche, 9:10. El cuerpo listo
Ready?
para pasarla bien. Le pongo hielito a mi escoba.
Body roll. Y 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Llegué a la discoteca.
Ready?
Esa mirada coqueta, creo que
One more
me
time.
cambió la
Body roll.
vida. Bailamos la noche entera. Luego hicimos el amor.
Remember,
y con
in
el
this
sol la
style of movement, bachata is symmetric. Now to my right in
La
5.
primera noche probé de su cuerpo
Body roll.
y me enamoré. Y en solo una noche con
One
par
more.
de tequilas
Body
yo
roll.
la conquisté. Les confieso que muero de ganas de verla otra vez.
Body roll.
El sábado solo quería dormir, pero
Body
ahora
roll.
me invito a salir. Llegué con mis amigos a aquel bar, no imaginaba lo que iba a pasar.
Okay, remember, this is the most famous movement in bachata sensual. Maybe it's not the most important. The most important, remember, always the basic for us. But you need control perfectly. You control the chest body roll and the hips body roll. You control all the body roll. After it's only mixed two chest body roll, connecting with the hip body roll, etc. etc.
And
okay?
pay attention at what we said. Everything is circular. We are never going straight. And about the pendulum, okay? Have this in your mind and see you in the next class.